Have you ever heard of electromagnets? What is an electromagnet? It's a magnet made of electricity. We're going to show you how to make an electromagnet at home. For this you will need battery, nail, insulation tape, a long wire, two short wires, and some small things made out of iron. Now twist the long wire around the nail. Leave some part of the wire in the beginning and start twisting. Leave some wire at the end also. Now take the two wires and the battery. Tape the ends of the wires to the battery using insulation tape. To put the wire on the positive end of the battery, twist it a bit like this to get enough contact. Now attach the wire to the battery using insulation tape. It should look like this when it's done. Now we're going to make the electromagnet by connecting the ends with the insulation tape. Now the electromagnet is ready. The battery provides the electricity and the nail acts as a magnet. When the circuit is complete, there are chances that the battery and the wire might get heated up. The longer the wire around the nail, the less hotter it will be. We can also do this with the breadboard. For this I'm using a breadboard, a switch, of course the battery with the wires, and the nail with the wire. First take one end of the wire from the battery and connect it to the plus side. Now take the other wire and connect it to the minus. Now take one end of the wire from the nail and connect it to the minus. Now take the other end of the wire and connect it somewhere between here. Now I've connected the switch. Take a wire and connect it in parallel to the switch's leg. Now take it and connect it to the plus. Now I'm going to switch on the switch.